In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Lenovo device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select while using the app in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to discard it right away, click on this X one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And in order to end it and save it, click on this square one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and click on OK. To access list of all of them from this screen, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now, if you wish to listen to it, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to go back, then hold it, choose this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice by choosing delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!